Hey food lovers, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Pav Bhaji. It is an all-time favorite Indian street food. If you want to know what makes this bhaji so special, watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start making this lip-smacking dish. These are the ingredients for making bhaji. You can pause the video here and take a note of it. To begin with, let's boil the vegetables. I have taken 3/4 bowl of fresh peas. You can also use frozen peas. 4 small potatoes, 1 carrot, and a big floret of cauliflower. Add 1 cup of water and half teaspoon salt. Boil it on high flame for 2 whistles. The vegetables are nicely cooked. Let's take it out. Keep this water aside. We will add this to the bhaji later. Now let's mash it with the help of a fork, spoon or a potato masher. I have already heated a pan. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now add chopped chilies, ginger and garlic and saute them for a minute. Add chopped onions and saute them until they become translucent. Add chopped capsicum and cook them on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes and mix them well. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt and let it cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until the tomatoes become soft. The tomatoes are cooked. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 3 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Mix them well and cook for 2 minutes. Now add the mashed vegetables that we had prepared before. Mix them well. Now add the water that we had kept aside and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. The bhaji looks good. Let's mash them all together to a chunky texture or smooth paste as per your preference. Add 1 more cup of water and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix it well. Now add chopped coriander leaves. The bhaji is ready to be served, but at this point you can also add some butter to make it rich, just like the street style. Now let's toast the pav. Slice the pav into halves. Toss some butter on a heated griddle and place the pav over the butter. Here I have burger bread. You can have normal pav buns or burger breads that is available to you, but it should be very soft. Toast both sides of the pav until they appear crispy and light brown in color. Our pav is ready. Now let's plate it out. Mouth-watering street style bhaji is ready. Enjoy it with butter toasted pav. Please try it out and let me know your comments. If you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. and don't forget to subscribe.